If you're dealing with vaginal looseness, dryness, odor, or recurring infections, you're not alone. And yes, you can fix it. Naturally, feeling fresh, odor-free, safely, and without surgery. Hi friends, Dr. Emily here, an OB-GYN specialist and a straightforward voice of science-backed truth here on YouTube. As an OB-GYN working with women across the US, I've helped thousands restore their intimate health. Today I'm sharing 3 powerful methods to help you tighten your vagina, fresh scent, boost confidence, and eliminate infections right at home. Let's get into it. First up, Kegel exercises. Simple, free, and shockingly effective. Your pelvic floor muscles support your uterus, bladder, and vagina, but after childbirth or with age, these muscles weaken, causing a looser feeling down there. Here's how to do Kegels the right way. Lie down or stand comfortably. Contract your pelvic floor muscles like you're stopping urine. Ascalon for 5 to 10 seconds. Relax and repeat. Aim for 30 reps, twice daily. With consistency over 2 to 3 months, you'll notice real changes in tone, tightness, and even bladder control. The second, let's talk about something many women overlook: vaginal collagen. As estrogen declines, whether after childbirth, during perimenopause, or aging, your vaginal lining becomes thinner and less elastic. This leads to vagal pryness, kink during intimacy, only risk of infection. One solution? Vaginal suppositories that promote collagen and elastin production. They thicken the vaginal lining, restore elasticity, and create a stronger barrier against harmful bacteria. Choose products that are OB-GYN recommended and include ingredients like practitionoluronic acid, Figation E, natural phytoestrogens like Pureria mirifica or soy isoflavones. These also help flush out odor-causing bacteria and improve vaginal pH. Let's talk about your hormones. They play a major role in vaginal health. When estrogen is balanced, your vaginal flora thrives. Your pH stays in the ideal acidic range of 3.8 to 4.5. Good bacteria flourish, infections stay away. But when your hormones shift, pregnancy, menopause, stress, your pH changes too. That's when yeast infections and BV sneak in. Here's how to stay balanced naturally. Fake more leafy greens, soy, and omega-3s. Plenty of water. Fit back on sugar and red meat. Exercise daily for 30 minutes. 7 to 8 hours and aim to sleep before 11 p.m. You can also try plant-based hormone support like soy isoflavones, red clover extract, H.A. root. The third, let's get personal. Hygiene. Many women unknowingly cause irritation with harsh feminine washes or over-cleaning. Here's what to do instead. Mamazon unscented feminine wash with a pH of 3.8 to 4.5. That's all the outer vulva, never inside. Always wipe front to back. And wear breathable cotton underwear and replace it every 3 months. Trim pubic hair to prevent odor and bacterial buildup. If you suffer from chronic infections, it's time to support your microbiome. Add oral or vaginal probiotics with proven strains like Lactobacillus rhamnosus GR1, Lactobacillus reuteri RC14. These restore balance, reduce recurrence, and strengthen your defenses. So ladies, there you have it. With consistent Kegels, hormone balance, the right hygiene, and a little probiotic support, you can reclaim your vaginal health naturally and free of odor with fresh scent. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your girlfriends, and subscribe for more weekly tips from a real OB-GYN. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. Your body deserves attention and support. Stay healthy, stay confident. See you in the next video.